Good morning. It's July 20th. It is also the 35th day of harvest. And as you can see, I am in Frank, just pulling out of the parking lot from where we've been staying in Llewellyn and making our first trip north to Montana. We had to make a little side trip yesterday and run home quick to get some air conditioner parts and another air conditioner for our trailer house for just in case, because the one that we have is acting a little bit funny. So we wanted to make sure that we had it while on the road and not wishing that we had it up north where we wouldn't be able to get it. It was fun to see the kids. Didn't get to see all of them because some of them are at camp and vacationing, but it was fun to at least have some hugs from the ones that were home. So with that, keep you posted and wish us luck. Stop tonight, Newton, Kansas. Taylor, hi you, hi you.
Charge the car. Air conditioner. What are you doing? Are you ready to go? Call the cow.
Jamie, look at those little ones playing on the rock. Whoa!
Did he almost fall?
Yeah.
Thank you.
God, you get me too?
Yeah. Wave at it, Taylor. Oh, mommy.
Hi. Down where? No, I don't think they're that far. Oh.
Mark!
No,
wet year or a dry
You
year?
put all those facts in your head, Ian, now you're going to lose how to get back to that field now.
It's been 24 hours.
I know how to get back.
Field? What field?
Ricky May and Dean K. White House. 555. 7 pushing 6.1%. Like we give our rats ass.
Oh, hell.
6.3. 16.
Hey.
Okay. Did you take a nice snooze? Huh? Did you? Taylor.
That's the Chevy garage. Where's that? Oh, about across from the
The cows in front of you. There you go, Tracy.
You must have the one truck yet or not? Oh, I said dude. Okay, I got a call at 3 o'clock. They were seeing big loads they were going to put together. So I need how much.
Here's a constantine everywhere. Like sitting. Oh my gosh.
Look at this camper out here.
Oh my gosh.
It's for
For
sale.
sale. Cheap, huh? Oh my. Oh my.
Also doubles as a ballot for who will take the plunge. Will it be David Tyler?
He can't get it from the house.
Go a little bit slower, Tim.
Oh, the fence fell over.
Girls, look up here now. Think we can make it?
Yeah. I think I would drown in this water.
I wish I was just a hired man. All I had was the clothes on my back and thought this was all cool.
Oh, look at the rabbits.
Girls, be looking at this now. Look at that old muddy river's running red too.
I wonder how shallow it normally is.
Probably pretty shallow.
Probably about 2 feet deep.
Probably most all of this. Probably the channels up here, and probably a lot of this that we just went over never sees water. Oh hell, I don't know if I'm going through this.
Oh man, look at that car.
District track exerciser? I saw the cutest. I said the cutest. The cute.
Not this deep.
Oh, cool. Look at the size. It looks like we're on the beach when we're on water.
What'd she say?
Looks like we're on the beach.
It's all Russian. With all the sand, it don't make sense.
It's fixing to come over too. Look how it's moving.
Here comes
Getting this straight? Yeah. Oh.
One of them's this big.
Oh man, I picked
That
up.
one, Dad, right over there. I'm getting big.
We don't need that.
There's a couple countries out there like that.
Press because I had accidentally mispronounced Chevarton.
That's probably one of the smaller ones, right?
Oh, that's got a few more things. The ground broke in pieces about that big. They just shattered when they hit the ground.
In here, there's cookies, and that pan over there has beans, and you'll need to slot them. Put this in the beans, Jane. Okay, girl.
Mama, mama.
Go.
Oh, me, go.
Mama, mama,
You're the
mama.
one that's gonna have to be going here pretty direct, right? Which both of us are gonna have to be, so.
Live out here. Yeah, but don't have cable things out here.
Look at this.
What?
Mom, right over here.
You're full! Okay.
What is this? Can I?
Yeah, do it.
Izzy?
Jeez, it's bigger than 2 feet.
Oh, heck. Don't keep it.
Careful, Jenna. You're standing on a pretty
Well, heck,
weak spot.
when I came over it, man, that truck's tires, they bounced down on that pretty hard. You know, when they go over that.
Now they'll believe us.
Well, and
This is the wonderful hole.
that right there is weak too.
Look out, Tracy!
Ah, there you go. I got you now. You can't hold me. Wave at Tracy one.
I'm open, Lauren!
Could not stand that pressure.
Show us how it's done, Jenna. A little late.
Ah, shoot! Oh, that didn't work.
I got it.
Your history.
We're not going to call three. You can suffer for a while. I'm dealing.
Okay, that's just match one. For who?
That's best too. I'm not.
Ian, what has happened this round?
What's your excuse? He's older. He's older. And I'm out of gas.
Back to Charles's mud hole.
that can of sweet tea in your... Do you have it home? Good. You didn't have that. I made a little error.
You gotta give her 50 cents for it though, Jim.
What happened was we didn't have a can of soda. And I thought,
Come here.
so...
Dad likes that. Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
I'll tell you what.
You got me first down.
Kids in a candy store in that grocery store.
There. There. Hey. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.